Hi, my name is Lara and I'm the General Manager here at SenSys Technology Group. At SenSys Voice, we specialise in hotel phone systems. We design, install and support hotel phone systems all over the country. What we usually find is that hotels in particular can pay quite high ISDN line rental. And by switching to SenSys Voice, we can make significant cost savings while also adding huge value and functionality. Generally, when we go into a hotel, we're asked to upgrade the main front of house phones in reception, reservations, the bar, maybe the function rooms. But generally, we don't upgrade the bedroom phones. The reason for this is that bedrooms no longer generate revenue for outbound calls. Many guests will use their mobile phones today if they want to make a call into the outside world, but they do need to be able to ring through to reception. At SenSys, we use analog converters so that you can keep your existing bedroom phones and we bring them onto the new upgraded phone system, allowing your guests to make calls through to reception. Our phone systems also integrate with a range of PMS systems, and this will add benefits to hotels such as housekeeping, being able to use the phone in the bedroom to set the status of the room. Marketing teams within hotels will also use the phone system to monitor the performance of different marketing strategies, advertisements or websites through the use of intelligent call reporting and unique phone numbers. Automatic wake-up calls, check-in and check-out operations are also available. But really, hotels use SenSys because we offer a robust phone system that ensures no call is ever missed, and we are there to support your hotel 24/7, 365 days a year with no excuses. If you're a hotel and you're looking to upgrade your phone system, please call a member of our team today and we would be happy to help.